How to add and edit users to your blog. You can control the permissions of users in your WordPress blog. To do so, go to your WordPress dashboard and you'll see a section called Users. You can view all users by clicking All Users. Currently there's just one user. Let's say I want to add an editor or a writer to the blog. All I need to do is add a new user, enter a username, an email, and fill in the rest of the details including the password. You can also send the password to this user. This section called Role gives access levels to the user. In this drop-down menu, you've got Subscriber, Administrator, Editor, Author, and Contributor. A subscriber is only allowed to read your blog posts and pages. An administrator has full control over the blog. An editor can edit blog posts and pages. And an author can write new blog posts. And lastly, a contributor can add to a current blog post. So I'm going to give this user an author role and simply click Add New User. And now I'm done. I can easily edit users by clicking Edit under their name. So if I want to give this user a new role, such as an administrator, I can do so and click Update User. And that's it.